What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Gala Games. We are testing a key support. If it breaks down, then we could see a larger drop. But of course, we could get a bounce. But we're gonna jump into it. Sitting at 0.029, down about 2% on the day. Seeing market cap of 208 million, 24-hour volume all the way down 54 million. Very, very low 24-hour volume. The interest in crypto right now is at a 2-year low. So just something to keep in mind. Good time to, you know what. So what we're looking at here was a 1-2, but the 78.6% fib level is a crucial support. If it breaks, then the bullish wave count becomes unlikely, and that's when we can create that lower low and take you down to about 0.025. So if we don't get that bounce, then it's more likely we are going to come down, create that lower low, and basically I would look at it ending diagonal for the wave 5 of the wave C. So wave 1 down, let me use my brush so it's more visible for you guys. Wave 1 down, wave 2 pull back, wave 3, wave 4 broke into the wave 1, so it has to be ending diagonal. And a wave 5 take you down 0.025, 0.026 before potentially seeing continuation to the upside. The key support to watch is this wedge. If this wedge breaks, the technical target is 0.0277. As mentioned yesterday, we did get rejected by the 20 EMA. We got rejected by the 20 EMA twice, which is bearish. So if that breaks, we fail to bounce, then continuation to the downside to create a lower low. But watch for that bullish divergence on the RSI as well as the money flow. All right, gang, so just a quick little update for Gala. The key support to watch is 0.0289. If it breaks, then I'll definitely flip bearish. But if we can get that bounce, then we can potentially see that continuation up into wave 3. Bitcoin lost its structure for its impulsive move up. There is one bullish scenario left. But obviously there are right now some bearish signals with that turnaround in the market. All right, gang, so currently we're in 3 trades. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis if you make your first deposit on Bitget or Bybit, up to 8K on up to 8K in bonuses on Bitget, up to 30K on Bybit. Do the majority of my trading on Bitget. All you have to do is email me your sign-up email. It takes 2 minutes, and I will give you a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.